Hey guys, good afternoon. So this is where I've been. The Swindon Railway Festival at Steam. And Steam is a museum in the Swindon Works out in the West Country. It's an amazing museum. It had loads of layouts this time, but other than that, it's got wonderful historical information and a whole bunch of full-size locomotives there. I haven't seen so many before, and all Great Western, really wonderful. So in addition to the festival here, it was also the area group, the annual general meeting, for the 2 Mill Association, which sounds like it would be really boring, but actually it was really interesting. All of the best modelers were there submitting their work for various trophies, and the shops were also around, and the shops are normally mail order. So if you want to order, for example, some wheels, you have an email address that's available to you as a member, which you can email, and they'll invoice you for some bits and pieces, and you can get these wheels ordered, for example. So I ordered got some wheels, some more wheels, and I'm looking at putting some etched chairs on my track for the next set of track I build. So I bought some check rail chairs, plain chairs, and slide chairs. So that's all good. And then things started going off in a bit of a strange tangent. So I picked up some coach bogies for Great Western, and that's because in this tub under here, I have a couple of Great Western B-set coaches, and the bogies on them are in such a way that they are they're too chunky, really. It's quite an old model. So these will be nice replacements, I think, and hopefully just drop straight on. I also picked up an ex-GWR Lomac, which is a low-loading, you can see that on the side view, I think. Yes, here we go. This is the side here. Sorry, the flash is getting away from me. Yeah, it's a low loader, so that's going to be quite fun. But then also, when I was there, they had some little interesting things. These are 1 plank wagon etches. So the sides of this are 1 plank high. This is an 8 plank wagon, I think, or a 7 plank wagon. And in comparison, these are the sides. I think these are the sides for this one, 1 plank, and it's really short as well. It's much shorter. This is going to be folded up, so it's probably not a great example, but the wheelbase on it is something like 7 feet, and this is a 9-foot wheelbase. So you got that, and I also picked up another low loader, but this for a little regional Welsh railway. I think these are all Barry Railway, Barry in Wales designs. So they're a bit idiosyncratic, but they just look lovely. So these are going to be more intense kits to build, I think, because these are not the association's standard design. So there's definitely a bit more work going to go into those. But I'm really excited. And I also picked up a few bits for my layout. This is a loading gauge that's been a bit bent and needs to be unbent, and a GWR yard crane. I thought, between the two of those, that should provide me something for Hennock that is not just, as you can see over here, a flat and empty expanse. So it was really exciting. It was so wonderful to see all of the kits for sale, and all of the completed models by some of the best modelers we have in our hobby, all under one place. Really chuffed to see that. So I'm definitely going to recommend going to Steam, and if you have a chance to go to the Railway Festival, probably next year, it's great. And yeah, as always, 2 Mill Association, it's just totally breathtaking.